Hi guys, welcome to another Premiere Pro tutorial. In the last few videos, we've been looking at some of the different ways of tweaking clips in our sequence. Another very useful method of performing modifications or tweaks to the clips in the timeline is by using the Replace Edit feature. Now, there are two ways you can use the Replace Edit feature to tweak your sequence. Let's say that the third clip I currently have in my sequence here is way too long and I want this clip to be cut at this point, and from this point, I want a new clip to be inserted. Now, I don't want to touch any of the other clips, so what I'm going to do is I will select the razor tool first by pressing the C key on my keyboard or clicking on this razor tool icon in the tools bar, and I'm going to make a cut on my clip. Now, what I'm going to do next is I will load up the new clip in the source monitor and I need to mark an in point. And the way I can do it is by pressing the I key on my keyboard, and I can also use this open bracket icon in my source monitor. Now, once I've marked the in point, the next thing I'm going to do is I will press the Option key on my keyboard or the Alt key if you're using a Windows machine. And then I'm going to drag this clip over to my timeline at the same place where I want this clip to go in. Now, as you can see, that this clip has been replaced based on my in point without messing up anything else on my timeline. Now, I'm going to undo this for now by Command Z or Control Z if you're in Windows. I can also perform Replace Edit. Let's say that if I don't want to make an in point on my source monitor. In that case, I just have to set my playhead in the source monitor at the point where I want the clip to be started. And now I'm going to come back to my sequence, right click, select Replace with Clip, and then under that option, I'm going to choose from source monitor match frame. There you go. Now you've replaced the clip with the new one. So guys, that's how easy it is. I hope you found this video useful. I mean, it is a pretty handy tool if you want to replace content without touching anything else on your timeline. Now, if you got any questions, if there's anything you're not sure about, feel free to drop those in the comments area and I'll be more than happy to help you with that. I'm not going to see you in the next video. So till then, you take care of yourself.